Gracias. Gracias. There's so much excitement. What am I hearing? Feels exciting. Like security or Sully? Oh, look at this. He's really Sully. So one block that way to the right? One block to the right, they say, is the pin drop for Google to Chinatown. So you're in it, but you're not like in the center, you know? Okay. Wow. He has bananas. He has avocado. He's yelling about his bananas. Okay. This is where you want to go? Wow. There's that. Wow. Wow. Bakery. Did we go one block yet, or is this? Now you're in Chinatown. I mean, you always were, but. Do you want to take this one though? Is it all as good? Okay. If it's like main enough, you know?
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, this is it. We made it.
Oh, there's a kitty cat. At least he made a box for him.
There's a bike.
Yeah, he did.
It's less chaotic.
Yeah.
To the right? You can't walk through?
No.
Oh. But this is our street?
Yeah.
Feels like you could wander. We could wander more if you want.
We have to walk an hour somewhere else.
Yeah. I bet these guys, this is where we should be buying our gifts. Hey? You buy. You're our negotiator.
We're going down this way.
You have your phone? Nice sunset. So one is zip with the camera and then the cell phone.
I have here. Selfie.
Selfie. Wow, look at down there. This is really fun. I'm having a good time. Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
You're enjoying, but you're also excited for the information side.
Yeah.
Acércate, cualquier producto te vale 5 soles. Cualquier. Estamos dejándote los 24 plumones a 5 soles.
There's malls everywhere.
Llévate 5 soles cualquier producto escolar. Cualquier producto escolar que agarres te vale 5 soles.
To the sidewalk? Or bike lane maybe? Which is now a people lane.
Selling. Come on, come on.
Looks like this is a convenience store, but I don't see water there. It's like deodorant and stuff. Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse. Watch out. Literally. You see that? Wow. I feel like we might be in like Phuket, but it's a party over here. Yeah. I'm trying, but I don't know where I'm walking to. I kind of want to walk down that street. Do this one.
Yeah.
It felt like there was a lot of people there, so that part makes me think like maybe, but also I know that this is like makes it a straight shot.
Yeah, but this is the one that you mapped though.
I did map it, yeah. And it goes direct into a main commercial shopping mall. That actually might be the shopping mall there. Or no, we're not that close, are we? Are we trying to make this light?
Yeah.
We have to?
Yo pensé que estás pidiendo.
7, 6, 5. I don't know how serious it is.
You want to walk inside or do you like to be outside?
I don't know. I just keep going here.
Okay.